Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. It's your girl African Choice. Thank you all so much for always turning in to watch my videos. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I make this passion twist. So this expression I use 4 pack of expression and I cut it into 2. So I use roller straw to roll it. That is what I did. I used straw to roll it. So now I'm just going to section out the roll of hair. Just going to section out the roll of hair like so. Then I'll start to plait it. Is it plait it or unroll it? I will start to unroll the hair, and as I'm unrolling the hair, as I'm plaiting the hair, I'm not twisting it. I'm just crossing the hair. I'm not twisting it. I'm not twisting the hair. It's not tight. I'm just crossing the hair. It's only from the root that is tight. From that, from the rest of the place going down, it's not. I didn't twist it. I did not twist it. So now I'm just going to section out another hair. I'm just going to section out another hair because you know this thing is just one. It's only one. So I'm going to divide our hair into 3 places. I will divide our hair into 3 places. It's our hair that will make it. I'll be able to unroll it down. I'll be able to plait the down from the down. By this section my hair from the down, I won't be able to plait it from the down. So I will section my hair out and I will divide our hair into 3 places. As you can see, it's just one strand. So I'm going to cross it in my hand and I will divide our hair. I will divide our hair into 3 places and I will plait the down. I'll plait the down as you can see me doing, and I'll start crossing the hair. You can see that the hair is loose. I'm not twisting it. You can see it's loose. The hair is loose. I'm not twisting it. I don't know if you can see it. I'm not twisting the hair. I'm just crossing it. So I'm going to show you once again. I don't know if you understand me. I'm going to show you once again. So you see just one. Then I cross it in my hand and I divide my hair into 3 places. I divide my hair into 3 places and I unroll and I plait them down. Then the hair that is making it 3, I will just add it to one side of the extension and I will start pressing it. That is it. It's just very simple. Very, very simple. It's not hard to do. It's very simple. It's very simple. Like me, when I didn't learn how to make hair. I did not learn how to make hair. Just when people are making hair, I will just stand and I will be looking just like that. And I will be looking at what they are doing. I will be looking at what they are doing. So just like that, I will cut children, I will make their hair to do the next day I will use it. Because I want to learn. I really want to learn how to make hair. I will make their hair today. The next day I will still call them. I will tell them, oh yeah, lose it, let's make another one. So like that is how I started making hair. That is how I started making hair. I didn't learn it from anywhere. Just as they are making, I will stand and I will be looking at what they are doing, and that is how I just learned by myself. That is how I learned by myself. So if you want to learn, like what I said, if you keep on practicing, when you keep on practicing, you will know how to make it. Just focus on your mind that this thing I want to learn how to make hair. When you just put your mind there, you will know how to do it. You will know how to do it. So now I'm just going to section out the hair again, and I will divide the hair into 3 places. plait the down, plating the dancing. Now that it's strong, I'm just going to add the other side of the hair and I start crossing it. And that is it. That is it. It's not hard. It's not hard. Just keep practicing. It's not just something you just learn one day. Maybe you do it one day, then you stop. When you keep practicing, it will enter your hand. It will enter your hand, because that is what happened to me when I keep on practicing, because I didn't give up. I keep on practicing. And then that is how I know how to make hair. That is how I know how to make hair. So that is it. So I'm just going to leave you guys to see for yourself. I'm just going to leave you guys to see for yourself. So thank you all so much. Thank you all so much.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with you.
So this was the hairstyle before, because she made the hairstyle before, and this one is 3 months old. So she said she got a lot of compliment on the hair. The last one she did, she said so many people love the hair. So that is why she decided, and she came back and she said, I want to make the hair again. So that is why we are making the hair for the second time. So that is it. So now I finish plating the back side. I finished plating it. You can see how beautiful, how look it is. I just, the way it's bouncing, I just love it. You can see how it is. So now I'm just going to start plating the front. Just the same thing I did at the back. That is what I'm still going to do at the front. I'm just going to section out the hair, and I divide the hair into 3 places, and I start to plait it from the down, and I start crossing the hair together. So that is it. That is it. I'll leave you guys to see for yourself. Thank you all so much. I love you guys a lot. Bye.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever. forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet, with you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day, for you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go, my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever. I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet, with you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day, for you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go, my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is. I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. my soul. You have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My summer love.